Here's a 2019 Cadillac Escalade. For a life well lived and every expectation fulfilled. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: automatic transmission, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automatic parking assist, Bluetooth streaming audio, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, dual zone climate control, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and Ecotec 3 engine. The Car Connection comments, while offering the acceleration and responsiveness of a smaller luxury vehicle, the Escalade offers one of the most comfortable, lavishly appointed interiors available in any SUV. For over 100 years, Cadillac has dared to drive the world forward. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.